All right, everyone. Got most of the back off. The rest of this should go pretty quickly. The big thing now is to get the grill off, and I can tell you that it definitely has wasps in it, so I'm going to use the forks on the front of the tractor to kind of set it off. Then I'll go to town on it with some wasp spray. So let's see how she goes. All right, folks, next job is to get this back wall off, and then the rest should come off pretty easily. So we're going to stay after it. Okie doke, we are down almost to being completely finished here. I want to get the front off. I had broken a drill bit, and I'm going to go ahead and put a new one in here and get these Phillips screws out, and then we'll be ready to finish getting the rest of this apart. Let's keep on going. Well, I got as much as I can. I'm going to try to get the tractor in and scoot it. At this point, there's just too much poison ivy to finish getting it taken care of. So I'm hoping I can get the tractor in to get it taken care of. Let's see how it goes. Getting ready to finish up for the evening. If you can tell by the clouds out there, there is a fairly good chance of rain. So I'm hustling against the weather. So we're going to try to get this lumber loaded on here quickly, and then we're going to call it an evening. So all right, everyone, this is what's left of it. Hopefully I can get her apart here today. Gonna get the tractor in and go ahead and get it turned so I can get to the last side, and then it'll be done. All right, everyone. Project complete. Don't really know what to do with the styrofoam here, but we'll find something to do with it here over time. But this one's done. Finish the stand tomorrow. Get seed planted tomorrow. And then head home. Pretty productive weekend.